3 wise men of Gotham went to sea in a bull. If the bull had been stronger, my song had been longer.
Hey ding, a ding ding. I heard a bird sing. The Parliament soldiers are gone to the king.
The 2 gray kits and the gray kit's mother all went over the bridge together. The bridge broke down. They all fell in,
May the rats go with you.
says Tom Ballin.
There was an old man in a velvet coat. He kissed a maid and gave her a groat. The groat was cracked and would not go.
Ah, old man, do you serve me so?
Jacky, come, give me your fiddle, if ever you mean to thrive.
Nay, I'll not give my fiddle to any man alive. If I should give my fiddle, they'll think that I'm gone mad. For many a joyful day, my fiddle and I have had.
Dame Trot and her cat sat down for a chat. The dame sat on this side, and Puss sat on that.
Puss,
Said the dame,
can you catch a rat or a mouse in the dark?
Purr,
said the cat.
Willie Winkie runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs, in his nightgown, tapping at the window, crying through the lock.
Are the babies in their beds? It's past 10 o'clock.